Hi guys, again, welcome back. This is 2000 Gaming again, bring another Lost Sword content. In this video, we're just gonna be, I'm gonna be giving you coupon codes, okay? So if you haven't found the coupon code yet, we will have coupon codes here. I'm gonna be showing it to you guys. But like again, if you're enjoying the content in this channel with regards to all of the games that I'm covering, please do consider subscribing. We're trying to reach that 5,000 mark. Hopefully you can help me out. Hopefully you're enjoying all of these things. Lots of things going on with this. I just want to like show you my I like the waifus here. So like yeah. So let's go back. I'm still currently farming just 48. So let's just go back and let's just return and see the codes. Okay, codes. Let's go here. Let's go to the account. Don't delete your account. Redeem coupon code. So there's like maybe three. I'm not quite sure if there's gonna be three, but like let me just see it. I have my. Do I have? Where the hell is that camera? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's see November 11 LTSD. So November 10 November 11 LTSD. November 11 LTSD. Let's redeem that. Okay, we got 5 and 5. Let's see if there's some pulls. Rion, I think. Rion has given us a coupon code. Rion TV. Shoutouts to Rion TV. Rion TV 8462. Okay. Oh, it's expired already. It's expired. So, I think that's it. Only one coupon code. I thought it's already expired. Maybe the Thanksgiving is still gonna be there. LTSD Thanksgiving, maybe. I think it's old already. LTSD Thanksgiving. I think I've already given this one. LTSD Thanksgiving. I think this is already expired. Oh, there's still. Okay, there's still a coupon code. There's two coupon codes up. So LTSD Thanksgiving and November 11 LTSD. So hopefully you guys like this short video, short and sweet video. Again, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. This again 2000 Gaming, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.